Fugitive televangelist Apollo Quiboloy is still in the Philippines, according to Interior Secretary Benher Abalos. His remark comes amid reports that the founder of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ already fled to China.
There is always a lot of possibility, na maaaring kung saan parte sila ng mundo. There's always that possibility. Pero sa aming nakikita sa ngayon, nandyan lang yan. Nandito lang yan sa Pilipinas.
Abalos warns Quiboloy and his subordinates who remain at large that government forces will not stop until they are caught.
We will assure you this, as what we've assured you before. Lumiliit na ang Pilipinas para sa kanila. Lumiliit na ito. Ganyang gumalaw ang pulis, ang military. Saka na matatago niyan. Lumiliit na ho ang mga pinagtataguan ninyo. Lumiliit na ang mga lugar na ito dahil hindi ho titigil ang kapulisyan, ang military, ang buong pwersa ng gobyerno para kayo ay dakipin.
Quiboloy and 5 of his subordinates are subjects of a Davao City Court issued warrants of arrest over human trafficking and sexual abuse charges. Quiboloy has a 10 million peso bounty, while each of his co-accused has a 1 million peso bounty on their heads. One of the fugitives, Pauline Canada, was arrested Thursday, July 11. A media report earlier said Quiboloy's legal counsel, Attorney Israelito Torion, could not confirm if the pastor is already in China. Meanwhile, the whereabouts of Quiboloy's other co-accused, Crescente Canada, Ingrid Canada, Sylvia Semañez, and Jacqueline Roy are still unknown.